So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Garmin watch is not basically connecting to your iPhone or Android phone that you basically have. Now, number one, the very first thing to keep in mind is that your Garmin watch doesn't necessarily need to have a phone connected to it, but it's probably the best off if it is. So in order for you to go and even connect these two things together, you're first going to have to make sure that you do have some sort of like Garmin application inside of your phone. So make sure that you've gone through and either scanned the QR code to set it up or you have the Garmin watch. So go ahead and go inside of your app store like this and go ahead and basically search up for the Garmin application. So you can type in Garmin just like so and go ahead and find the Garmin application just like this and go ahead and download it. So install Garmin Connect, that's kind of the first thing to keep in mind here. Now, number two, if you end up doing that and that's not working, the next thing you're going to want to do is probably try repairing or resetting up your phone. So right here where it says pair with phone during the initial setup process, tap on the pair button and you want to go ahead and basically scan this QR code. So during this process, all you're going to want to do is open up the camera application on your phone and go ahead and scan over it just like this. And then all you're going to want to do is just basically, install this particular application, which is just going to take you back into Garmin Connect and then reinstall it. If that's still not working, make sure on your phone you have the Bluetooth connection enabled. So just go through, make sure you have Bluetooth on, that's another big thing. You can also try restarting your phone, restarting your device, and that might end up fixing the problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.